good afternoon, good evening, good morning for everyone. This application for Baby Cry Translator app is Baby Cry Translator app moderated by AI based mobile application. Let me start that this project began with a very personal moment. A few months ago, I became a father for a new baby daughter. Maybe one night while holding my crying baby, I wondered, what does she need? Is she hungry, tired, pain? I don't understand. She's just crying and I don't know anything about this. So I got the idea why we can't create an application, very, very basic application, can take this crying from baby and make it with actionable insight to know what the baby needs. The problem now is that the baby cries, not communicate, not speak. So I think this app can help parents, doctor, kindergarten, especially the first time parents or the parents with the blind parents, especially as our app will have a voice command. So this can lead to less stress and can take actions, very fast actions to know what the baby needs. Our solutions for this app, for this mobile application app, it translate the baby cry into a lot of categories like hunger, discomfort, sleepiness, and pain. Also send real-time voice and text alerts. Also, it have a log of crying history, so can help doctors if you have pattern for crying from your baby. So it helps doctors that the application have a log data for all the crying for the babies from first day. Also offer voice assistant mode for visual impaired or blind parents. It's tailored for parents, doctor, and kindergarten. How we built this app to test the idea. We used YouTube videos with crying babies with the pattern. Also, I take crying from my small baby daughter and some babies from my family. And it's very basic to start my application. And even it was limited data, but it showed strong accuracy. And it showed very strong accuracy. Our target users for this, as we already talked before, it's parents, especially visually impaired parents who benefit from voice feedback, doctors who can use the cry logs to assess symptoms or patterns for the babies, kindergarten staff who manage multiply infants and needs fast cry dedication. I have also planned to collaborate with accessibility platform like Be My Eyes to support blind parents more effectively, collect audio data from real-world users, and increase community involvement. Why our app it's unique? Because unlike basic baby monitors, this app doesn't just alert when baby crying. It tells you why the baby is crying. That's different. Also, it sent early feedback for initial testing with my family and friends, was encouraging parents, said they left more confident, less stress, and closer to their baby needs. One of my friends told me this, it's like having a translator for your baby in your pocket. So to take this further, we plan to expand the cry dataset across different language, ages, and environments. Partner with platform like Be My Eyes to involve with blind users. Form a team of developer and designer to increase and improve our application. Ensure a strong data privacy and security. Also, to do this, we are searching now for partnership or participation to have more fund to access for this data or to improve our application. Final words to conclude the baby cry translator. It's, as I told you, it's AI can now help parents, especially those who have visual impaired, understand their baby better, faster, and more confident. And thank you, Professor Dr. Mohamed Al-Mehalawi, for his guidance. And if I have a time, it's 1 minute, I can show you video as a demo video for our application.
This I just like to have my comment on it is before the workshop or the first week of the workshop, Ahmed suggested that this is a crazy idea. And I told him, hey, let's take it to the process of product development process from zero to the end. And let's see what will happen. And it ended up in a real product, actually. So it was a crazy idea, applied the market analysis and this and that onto it, and ended up with a very good prototype.
Beautiful, Prof. No, that's very
Can you see my
interesting.
screen now?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. We start by click here. Sorry for this sound, but it's discomfort. It's discomfort for both, for me and for the baby. So this like a demo video for my application. And as I told you before, I need to improve it. And especially for new parents and doctors and for blind parents. It will be, I think it will be great for them. Okay, that's all.